of Kalika Sanskar Kulam, national figure, Honorable Acharya Lakshman Bhandari, Head of Department, Senior Level, Senior Block, Honorable Hemraj Adhikari, Cluster Head, Honorable Barsha Gurung, Cluster Head, Honorable Meena Adhikari, Sports Head, Honorable Santosh Gurung, the most important, my respected teacher, dear friends, and my dear students. Today, I am going to talk on an important topic, how we can stop expecting from others. Unless we stop expecting from others, we cannot live a happy life. It takes us to the frustration. What is the most selfish one-letter word? I, isn't it? Yes or no? It's I. I stands for expectation. iPad, iPhone, iPod, even man says that I paid. I revolves around expectation. Not only expectation, the super high expectation. Everything revolves around I. I like, I dislike, I should get that many marks, I should be respected like that, I should be treated like that, and I should be respected like that. Once, the President of the United States of America, John F. Kennedy, people were rumbled when he was in the stage for his first presidential speech. He told, ask not what country can do for you. Ask what you can do for the country. In the same way, ask not what teacher can do for you. Ask what you can do for the teacher. Ask not what society can do for you. Ask what you can do for the society. Ask not what parents can do for you. Ask what you can do for the society or for parents. My dear student, unless we avoid the most selfish one-letter word I, we cannot live happy life. Even, my dear student, when we go to the temple, when we go to the church, when we go to the masjid, when we go to the monasteries, we never say that I love you, God, I want to give you something, but we always ask from God, please God, I want that, I like that, please fulfill my wishes. Every time we ask, always I and I. Unless we avoid this letter I, we cannot live a happy life. Today, I like to remember the chairman of Kalika Sanskar Kulam, Honorable Rishiram Ghimire. He used to say, ढुङ्गा भित्र मूर्ति छ तर त्यसलाई सृजनशील हातहरूद्वारा कुदिनु पर्दछ। जबसम्म एउटा ढुङ्गालाई सृजनशील हातहरूद्वारा कुदिन सकिँदैन नि तबसम्म त्यो ढुङ्गा विशाल मूर्ति बन्न सक्दैन, त्यो ढुङ्गा धेरै पैसाको बन्न सक्दैन र लाखौं करोडौंको बन्न सक्दैन। जबसम्म त्यो मूर्तिकार त्यो ढुङ्गासँग गएर ठोकिँदैन तबसम्म त्यो ढुङ्गा मूर्ति बन्न सक्दैन। र जब त्यो ढुङ्गा मूर्तिकारसँग ठोकिन्छ त ढुङ्गा र मूर्तिकार ढुङ्गासँग ठोकिन्छ, त्यसपछि त्यो करोडौंको मूल्यको मूर्ति बन्न सक्दछ। ठीक त्यस्तै आज हामी यो परिवेशमा यो विद्यालयभित्र नेशनल फिगर आचार्य लक्ष्मण भण्डारी सरको मार्गनिर्देशनमा हामीलाई हिँड्ने अवसर मिलेको छ। हामी भाग्यमानी छौं सम्पूर्ण शिक्षक शिक्षिका र विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू, किनकि सरले कयौं त्यस्ता कार्यक्रमहरू गरिसक्नु भएको छ। मोटिभेट्स गर्ने कार्यक्रमहरू हामी जस्ता अफिसरहरूलाई, जेलका कैदीहरूलाई, पाइलट इन्जिनियर डाक्टरहरूलाई उहाँले सम्झाउने काम गर्नुहुन्छ, उहाँले मोटिभेट्स गर्ने काम गर्नुहुन्छ। वी आर भेरी मच लकी that we are having our honorable national figure Acharya Lakshman Bhandari here with us. Please once clap for him. students, just from today, let's avoid the most selfish one letter word, and that is I. Unless we avoid this letter, we cannot live happy life. It takes us to the frustration. Always it takes us to the frustration because I stands for expectation. So my dear student and my respected teachers, my friends, and honorable principal sir, cluster heads, sports head, I want to request we all let's avoid the most selfish one letter or I, and let's start the journey from I to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Diva sir, for beautiful speech. Does anyone have